my best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. To the end, me and you. Ooh. If you spend, then I spend all on you. Ooh. You. Just say the word and we gon' run it up. You're number one and it's don't run up. Don't matter if your birthday's coming up, I'm still gon' get you those little gifts, and it's not even about that. I just love to make you smile, so go and smile back. Little FaceTime, little chit chat, little time spent.
Yeah, and you are the time of my life. Amaru, yeah. You brought the days to my nights. Hey, I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow, you know like the game them play, give it to you straight all day. Oh wow, body do the talking, babe. Baby if you make man praise. Oh wow, yeah. Today oh na odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude quick be my hote pe oh. Yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. Bring the and if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. I've been gone for too long, in a faraway land, tryna find my way in, searching for where I belong, coming up with a plan, somewhere I can begin. Memories of my hometown keep crawling back in my head. My hometown, been around the world all this time, still couldn't match how we felt, how we felt. I can't wait to get home. I can't wait to get home. I can't wait to get home. Amaru, make it fire. Yeah, me no understand why you not here with me. Let me take it over for you, girl. You've been out searching the wrong place. On your mind, only place that I wanna be. You define what true beauty is all the way. So divine, God must took a long time to make you. Yeah, I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. I'm right here, right next. Follow me.